The Komptech Top Turn X is a robust compost windrow turner engineered with the proven functionality of the larger Komptech machines, packed into a scale perfect for small and medium-sized composting operations. This machine is designed to effectively turn and aerate compost windrows, resulting in faster and more efficient decomposition. The Komptech Top Turn X is equipped with a powerful engine and heavy-duty drum, making it capable of processing large amounts of compost material in a short amount of time.